Today, for hometown history's favorite foods, we're going to talk about the extraordinary, tremendous tater tot. In 1953, Mormon brothers Nephi and Golden Grig turned worthless potato scraps into one of America's most beloved side dishes, the tater tot. Operating a frozen potato company in Oregon, the brothers were troubled by the massive amount of perfectly good potato pieces being discarded during French fry production. Rather than sending these scraps to cattle feed like everyone else, they experimented until they created a revolutionary new product. The brothers shredded the leftover potato pieces, added flour and seasoning, then forced the mixture through holes and sliced them into bite sized nuggets. When deep fried, these golden cylinders had a crispy outside and a fluffy inside. The first tater tots were born. Initial sales were sluggish because the price was too low. Customers assumed they were cheap, low quality food. Once the Griggs raised the price to signal premium quality, tater tots became a sensation. By 1956, they were in grocery stores nationwide. The brothers sold Ora Ida to Heinz in 1965 for 30 million, over 287 million in today's dollars. Americans now consume over 70 million pounds of tater tots annually. History is out there, my friends.